In this tutorial, we are going to show you the control panel buttons and lights for the HP SmartTank 585 or 5101 printer. Starting with the power button, that is to turn the printer on or off. And right at the top, you've got the control panel display. Now, you'll see that the buttons are not light up. In order to light up the button, you need to open the lid. And you can see that the copy buttons are now lit up. We'll do a color copy, which is this button over here. The button to the right of the color copy button is black copy. Now, if you are to copy multiple copies, simply press multiple times on the black or color copy button. We'll do 2 copies of black. Below the color and black copy button is the ID card copy. Use that if you need to copy an ID card, where it will prompt you to copy the first side and then flip over to copy the second side before printing the ID card front and back onto one piece of paper. We'll copy in color. The scanner icon is blinking. You need to open the lid and flip over the ID card. Next, we have the Wi-Fi button or light, where you can turn on and off the Wi-Fi, and the LED light will indicate the status. In this case, it is connected to the network. Let's turn off Wi-Fi. Beside the Wi-Fi button is the information button. Pressing the information button or I button will print a summary of the printer settings and status. Next, we have the resume button, where it will light up and you need to resume a job after a disruption. And beside it is the cancel button, which is to cancel the current job. So we'll demonstrate the resume button followed by the cancel button. And there you have it. These are the control panel buttons and lights. All these are available on the printer reference guide. And what I'll do, I'll simply do a copy of this and paste it onto the printer for future reference. So this is the control panel buttons and lights for your HP SmartTank 585 or 5101 wireless all-in-one printer.